Welcome to Reading 100. This video is going to show you how to message your instructor within the Canvas inbox system. This is where most of your instructors are going to want you to send them messages. Oftentimes this is the preferred method over email, but again, in whatever course you're in, you're going to have to ask your instructor or look in the syllabus to see what method they prefer. In Reading 100, the method that is preferred is the Canvas inbox messaging system, because for instructors, we get notifications right away when you send us a message in the canvassing message system, and vice versa. When we send you a message in the Canvas inbox, if you've set your notifications correctly, then those are going to be seen directly by you in a notification. So again, this is a really important thing to know for Canvas. So, how do you access it? When you open up Canvas, on the left-hand side of the page, you're going to see this menu, this blue menu. When you click on Inbox, that is where you go to get to the Canvas messaging system. Under the Canvas messaging system, or in the inbox, when you compose a message, you're going to click where this red arrow is on this little document that looks like it's a pencil to a piece of paper. And that's where you're going to click to compose a message. When you click on that, you're going to select the course that you want to send a message in. Don't forget to click on that. Once you do, you're going to find the course that you would like to send the message in. Once you click on that, it's going to take you to a place that shows either teachers or students. And I apologize that this doesn't show the students there, but it is there. But if you click on, say, teachers, then it's going to open up the teacher within there. Or if there's more than one teacher, you can select both or just one of them. And as you're composing your message, you want to remember to put something in the subject line so that the instructor knows what it is that you're trying to say. And again, you want to follow proper etiquette when typing a message, even in a Canvas inbox messaging system. So again, do a greeting, and then the body of your message, and then who it's from. Again, that's just etiquette. But again, when you're finished, you're going to click Send, and that will then send a push notification to your instructor to let them know that they have a message in their inbox so that they can get to it as soon as possible. This is a really important piece for you to know and for you to learn. Take care, and remember, you've got this.